Another state can sometimes save you money, but only if the paperwork is done right.
And the I-Team's finding that one local man learned that the hard way after an out-of-state dealership made a mistake, putting him on the hook to pay double in sales tax. He contacted consumer investigator Jason Knowles and got results. Jason.
We did, Rob and Cheryl. That suburban man says a dealership in Texas made a costly error, charging him the sales tax there. The problem? The state of Illinois says the money should have been paid to the land of Lincoln.
It's a great vehicle. We are so pleased with the car.
Southwest suburban resident Jim Herring found a deal on this Acura RDX at a dealership in El Paso, Texas, so he flew down with his wife to make the purchase.
So you love the car, you just didn't want to pay double on the taxes.
No, we didn't want to pay double on the taxes.
So what happened? The dealership collected Texas tax when they should have had him fill out paperwork to pay taxes here in Illinois. Instead, the money went to the state of Texas. Eventually, the state of Illinois Department of Revenue came to Herring to collect, with penalties and interest, the amount almost $3,000.
They said, no, we're not going to call Texas.
And they wanted it from you.
They demanded the money from us. In fact, they seized our state tax return from 2024.
Herring says when he couldn't get answers, he called the I-Team. We reached out to all of the parties involved.
The Texas dealership charged that purchaser Texas sales tax. They should not have done that. They should have had the purchaser file a tax exemption certificate.
The director of the Illinois Department of Revenue says action was taken after our inquiries.
A supervisor in our sales tax processing division who reached out to the dealership in Texas and said the tax should not have been collected. You really do owe this person a refund.
Called for Jason Knowles, and all of a sudden, as soon as you started making phone calls, everybody wanted to help. Everybody wanted to resolve the problem only because of your phone call.
And then you got this check.
Check $2,929 was received from the dealer.
That Texas car dealer telling me it always seeks a resolution for customers, and they're happy this is resolved.
Well, congratulations. I'm glad you got your money back.
Thank you very much. We appreciate you very much.
Yeah.
Great ending. The Illinois Department of Revenue says if you are buying a car out of state, make sure you ask the dealer to provide you with the proper forms to get taxed here in Illinois. Now, there are 9 states like Michigan and Indiana where you still must pay the taxes to the state where you buy the car. Rob and Cheryl, you want to be prepared when shopping for a car out of state, of course, to avoid hassle down the road. Also very popular right now. You know, a lot of people are buying these cars out of state. With inflation, you can find a better deal sometimes.
You know, they say don't mess with Texas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't mess with Jason.
Double the taxes.
All right. Don't mess with Jason either. All right.
Yeah.
Getting results, getting the job done. Thanks so much.